Let's get our winter clothes. When it's cold, we have to wear something warm. Sweater, 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 sweater. I'll wear this warm sweater. And a skirt, nice skirt to stay warm and fashionable. What about hands and feet? Boots and gloves. What can I wear for winter? Oh, wear this warm shirt and a big pair of overalls to stay warm. Overalls! And big boots for your feet to stay dry. Boots! Then a nice big coat on top. Wear a hat! Alright, a hat! I want a hoodie. They are cozy. Hoodie, so cozy. And for your neck, I will wear a scarf. Do you like gloves or mittens? I like gloves. Now we are all ready for winter. Let's go play! Yay!